Joe Ahern here, founder of TimeStockPicks.com. This is the weekend review for the week ending 9/23/2011. And for the week, not a bad week. We have a 2.11% gain for the week. You can see here we've shot up from last week a little bit. However, the system flipped short again. Last week we were talking about maybe a bottom in the market, and as I mentioned, our indicators will always keep us on the right side of the market, so we did flip short. We were talking about the market maybe bottoming. That is not the case yet. I believe this week we could see some fireworks. We might see some capitulation. I really think this market, everybody's nervous and tense, and there might be some throwing in of the towel. So with our short positions here, here again we've got some real nice gains. You know, these things could skyrocket next week, and be alert. I may tell us to just close out and take our profits, because we are really in a position where I think some things are, wild things might happen. I really think we could shoot up some gains. Similar maybe to this period here when we went short at the end of July. You could see some gains shot up, and we did give some back. So I might put in some tighter stops, etc. We really want to maintain these profits that we've got here. Really only a couple losses, small losses, and you can see the gains. These really could propel up. So we want to continue to keep growing our equity here. And as you can see, like I said, the trends, capturing profits from the trends are the key. You can see early in the year, boom, we got a quick burst. A lot of, you know, chop back and forth throughout the year up to here. But here again, it's these big bursts of trends that can give us huge profits. And I expect maybe something similar. Capitulation might be something that's going to come here this week. I really expect some wild things to happen, because the market's at a point where there's a lot of worry there, and we're going to have a tremendous rally sooner or later. But at this point, usually what happens is people get scared and fearful and throw in the towel, and that could happen. But as you can see, we're up 33.38% for the year, and really excellent returns. I fully expect that we'll continue some great growth throughout the last quarter of the year. I won't even doubt if we doubled our returns for the year, or even better, because there's going to be some wild swings coming up. And our system, like I said, we're short now, but our indicators really keep us on the right side of the market, and I fully expect you know, a big rally towards the latter part of the year. I really do, but I think there's some more pain to be had. But we're positioned just where we need to be. We're on the short side, and I fully expect some more gains this week. Like I said, pretty good week, up about 2.1% from last week, and if we could get 2% every week, you know where that would put us. It'd put us up better than 100% for the year. And that's really it for the week. Expect some big things next week. Keep in tune, and we may you know, mention that we're gonna tighten up our stops, or even close out our positions, and you know, make it a good week. This is Joe Ahern signing off for the week ending 9/23/2011.